A man in his 60s has become the third person to die from coronavirus in the UK. The man, who had significant underlying health conditions, was being treated at North Manchester General Hospital.Read. More coronavirus. Foreign Office changes travel advice after lockdown in Italy. Professor Chris Whitty, Chief Medical Officer for England, said, "I am very sorry to report that a third patient in England who tested positive for COVID-19 has sadly died. I offer my sincere condolences to their family and friends and ask that their privacy is respected." The patient, who was being treated at the North Manchester General Hospital, was over 60 years old and had significant underlying health conditions. They had recently travelled from an affected area. Contact tracing is already underway. Sign up to City A.M.'s Midday update newsletter, delivered to your inbox every lunchtime. It comes as the number of confirmed cases in the UK rose from 209 on Saturday to 273 today. The Foreign Office confirmed today that it was working on evacuating British nationals stuck on the Grand Princess cruise ship, which is under quarantine near California.A. spokesperson said, "We are working intensively with the US authorities on arrangements for a flight for British nationals who are currently on the Grand Princess cruise ship off the coast of California. We remain in close contact with the local authorities and will work with them on their plans. We are also in contact with the Grand Princess staff, and are ready to support any British nationals who need our assistance." The Foreign Office also changed its travel advice following the lockdown in Italy that has seen 16 meters placed in quarantine in a bid to curb the spread of coronavirus.Read. More coronavirus. Italy confirms 133 new deaths in a day as lockdown begins. It faced backlash after advising against all but essential travel to just 10 small towns in the Lombardy region and one in the Veneto region of Italy despite a mandatory quarantine in the Lombardy region. British nationals are also advised against all travel to Hubei province, where the coronavirus originated, and all but essential travel to the rest of mainland China. The Foreign Office also advises against all travel to the cities of Daegu, Cheongdo and Gyeongsang in South Korea. Get the news as it happens by following City A.M on Twitter. For more on this story, visit the news article link.